Hey guys, we're here at Oracle Lighting's new Starliner headliner for the Jeep JT and JL. New product that just came out, debuted at SEMA. We're lucky to get one of the first ones. Going to do a little unboxing. We did do a demo video, so this was opened just prior to this. The Starliner headliner is going to go in the removable panels of the Jeep, and it's going to give you that Rolls-Royce effect with the star ceiling. Color changing, standalone controller, pretty cool product. Let's open it up, let's see what it looks like. In the box you're going to find two of the headliner panels, acrylic bottom plate, matte black, with all the filaments in a random pattern. You have a thick foam pad that's going to affix to the removable roof. You have your power hole for the power. Each one's going to get its own power plug. They're going to attach with 3M double-sided tape to the panel. This way they don't go anywhere. Also included in the box, you're going to get your power line. Each one's going to have it. One end goes into the Starliner panel. This one they have a cigarette lighter, but we're going to cut these off. We're going to hardwire them in and make it pretty cool. Also, you have your remote, your multi-key remote. Has all of your colors, dim, on, off. You have jump features with 3 and 7 color, fade, flash, breathe. It also goes to the music. This is IR, so it's going to work with the Starliner only. It's not going to interfere with any other products from Oracle you might have in the vehicle. These will be available in December. They are taking pre-orders right now. I believe these retail for $4.99 for the pair. Pretty cool product. Should be super easy installation. We look forward to getting these in the next couple of days. We have a little demo video that I'm going to include after this, so stay tuned for the installed version. Big thanks to Oracle Lighting for getting us one of the first ones. They only debuted it a couple of days ago. Big shout out to them. So we'll see you guys soon for the install.